So all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from chapter number 6 on ratio of areas of similar triangles based questions, right? So let us start with the first question. And what is the theorem that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides? So this is the first question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF is given and their areas are respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equals to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. So we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So these two triangles are similar to each other. So this will imply this one. Okay, the ratio of areas of these two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Now area of triangle ABC is given, area of triangle DEF is given, that is 121, and BC we have to find. EF is given 15.4, so we'll substitute the values. Okay, now we are going to take square root. तो इसका square root क्या होगा?
8/11.
Very good, 8/11, and here BC by 15.4. Okay, now we'll cross multiply. So we'll get BC is equals to 8 into 15.4 upon 11. 15.4 11 से cancel हो रहा है. So what we are going to get? 1.4. Okay, so 1.4 into 8 is 11.2. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the first question. Now we are moving towards the second question. The areas of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are in the ratio 9:16. If BC is equals to 4.5 centimeter, find the length of QR. So first we will write the statement that means for my explanation I am writing the statement. For you can do directly. Okay, क्योंकि पूरा steps यहाँ पे steps is not required, only the correct option is required. So we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given. So we'll get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC square upon QR square. And the ratio of this is given, that is 9/16. Okay. Now what is the square root of 9/16?
3/4.
Right, 3/4. Now we will cross multiply. Okay, so 4/3 right side में आ जाएगा and QR will be equals to 4.5 into 4/3. We'll get this one. Okay, and 4.5 we can cancel with 3. We'll get 1.5. Okay, 1.5 into 4. So 1.5 into 4 is 6 centimeter. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is the second question. Now we are moving toward the third question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 times of area of triangle PQR. If BC is equals to 12 centimeter, find QR. So we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it is given. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC square upon QR square. Just question number 2 में भी देखे थे. And this triangle is 4 times this triangle. That means the ratio of these two we are going to get 4/1. Okay, 4/1. And what is the square root of 4/1? 2/1, right. So now the same thing we will do. QR यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और 2 यहाँ पे. So QR is equals to 12/2 and the final answer is 6 centimeter, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. B. This is B, na? Fine. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The areas of two similar triangles are 169 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square respectively. If the longest side of the larger triangle, तो इसमें larger triangle कौन सा है? 169 centimeter square area वाला. Okay, find the longest side of the smaller triangle. Clear? That means इसका longest side निकालना है. Okay, fine. So first of all, we will take let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and the corresponding longest side we will take it as BC and EF. Okay, and BC is given because this is the longest side, side of the triangle, and we have to find EF, right? So again, we know that the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF will imply area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to BC square upon EF square. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is 169 and this is 121, and BC is given 26, and we have to find EF, right? Now what is the square root of 169 upon 121?
13 by 11.
13 upon
Very good.
11.
13 by 11. So after taking square root, we'll get this step. Okay, so now 26 into 11 upon 13, this will be equals to EF. EF यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, right? Now 26 we can divide it by 13, so we'll get 2 into 11, that is 22. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
B.
B.
Option
Option
B,
B.
right? Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 5. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BDE is, right? So we'll make first a rough diagram. Say ABC is an equilateral triangle and D is the midpoint of BC, and BDE is also equilateral triangle. Okay, so D is the midpoint, right? So now we know that all equilateral triangles are similar. Okay, all equilateral triangles are similar, और इसका each side हम लोग अगर 2a लेंगे तो ये A और A हो जाएगा. That means each side of the smaller equilateral triangle will be A, right? Now we know that all equilateral triangles are similar, so we can use the theorem 6.6, that is the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides, right? So area of triangle ABC is upon area of triangle BDE is equals to BC square upon BD square, and BC is 2A, right? BC यहाँ पे 2A है, and BD is A, so we are going to substitute, that is 2A whole square upon A square. So this 2A whole square will become 4A square upon A square. इसमें A square we can cancel, and we'll get 4 by 1. So which is the correct option?
Option D.
Option D,
Option D.
right? So now we are moving toward question number 6. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADE, right? So first of all, here D is the midpoint of AB is given and E is the midpoint of AC. So DE is parallel to BC. Why?
Using midpoint theorem.
Very good. So using midpoint theorem, DE is parallel to BC we got. Okay. Now we are going to prove these two triangles similar, because if these two triangles are similar, then only we can use that ratio of areas of two similar triangle theorem. So see, these two angles are equal. Why?
Corresponding angles.
Right, corresponding angles. Very good. And angle is common to both the triangles, right? So that means these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
A is
A
similar.
similarity.
A similarity, right? So first हम लोग similar triangle proof करने के बाद, now we can use that formula, that ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so we'll get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADE is equals to AB square upon AD square. Now already it is given that D is the midpoint of AB, right? So AB we can write 2 times of AD. Okay, AB we can write 2 times of AD, and this will become 4 AD square, AD square cancel, and finally we are getting 4 by 1. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 7. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio. So suppose we are going to take ऐसे assume कर रहे हैं triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. But if you are going to solve because you are going to solve MCQ question, we know that the ratio of areas of similar triangle is square of this ratio. So you can directly write 16:81. Okay. So अभी तो मैं steps के साथ में explain कर रहा हूँ. So let the corresponding sides of ABC and triangle DEF are respectively BC and EF. So using this theorem, the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So this will imply this. This is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And BC square upon EF square, we can write BC upon EF whole square. And then now this ratio is given 4/9. And we know that 4/9 whole square will become
16
upon 81.
right 16/81. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D, right.
Option D.
Now we are moving toward question number 8. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Okay, right. So now in triangle ABC, F is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of BC. Right. So by midpoint theorem, FE parallel to AB. Right. FE parallel to AB and FE is half of AB. So FE is half of AB means we can write FE upon AB is equals to 1/2. Now similarly we can write, we can write DF is half of BC. That means DF upon BC is equals to 1/2. And DE upon AC is equals to 1/2. Right. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
That means all three corresponding sides are in proportional. So these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
SSS criteria.
Very good. SSS similarity. Now, if these two triangles are similar, so there we can use that theorem number 6.6. That is area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equals to DF square upon BC square. And DF upon BC we have got already 1/2. So इसका square हो जाएगा 1/4. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Right. Option D. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 9. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equals to 2 times CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. So first of all, we have to prove AOB and COD similar, right? So this is the rough diagram, and for examination point of view, no need to prove anything. You can go ahead directly, right? क्योंकि MCQ में steps नहीं चाहिए. No explanation is required. See, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Why?
Alternate interior angles.
Right, alternate interior angles. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
Asimilarity.
Very good. Asimilarity. Right. If these two triangles are similar, that means we can use theorem 6.6. What? किसी का mic on है देखो. Area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equals to AB square upon CD square. We have used this theorem. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So now AB is given 2 times CD in the question. So we are going to replace this one 2 times CD, and this will become 4 CD square. So we can cancel CD square, and finally we are going to get 4/1. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option
Right.
B.
So this is 9th question. Now we are moving toward question number 10. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we have AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. is equals to 5 by 7. Then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF. So first of all, according to the given statement, all the three corresponding sides are proportional. So since the corresponding three sides are proportional, so these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity. Now we can use that theorem number 6.6, that is the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be, we can take any one ratio. I'm going to take BC square upon EF square, okay, and this is equals to BC upon EF whole square. Now BC upon EF is 5 by 7, so 5 by 7 whole square is equals to
25 upon 49.
25 by 49.
So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Right.
Option B.
So now we are moving toward question number 11. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of triangle ABC is equals to 36 centimeters square and area of triangle DEF is equals to 49 centimeters square. Then the ratio of their corresponding sides is. The two triangles are similar is given. So we can apply the theorem number 6.6, that is the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, BC square upon EF square. Okay, I'm taking the corresponding sides BC and EF. Right. So now this we can write 36 upon 49 is equals to BC upon EF. Now what is the square root of 36 upon 49?
6 by 7.
Right, 6 by 7. And this is the required answer. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Right, option B.
Option B.
So this is question number 11. Now we are moving toward question number 12. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas are respectively 100 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square. If the altitude of triangle ABC is 5 centimeter, find the corresponding altitude of triangle DEF, right? So this is the rough figure. Wait. First of all, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF is given. That means we can use theorem number 6.6. But also we studied one corollary. If you remember, the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding altitudes. Corresponding medians also we have studied. Okay. Is that clear? This because this is a MCQ based questions, so you can do directly also. This we have did as a corollary.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the rough figure. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be equals to AP square upon DQ square. Right? And this is 100 and this is 49. So, and which value is given? This AP is given 5. Now 100 upon 49 square root
10 by 7.
10 by 7, right. अभी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 into 7 by 10, that is equals to DQ. Okay, so 5 into 7 is 35 by 10. Final answer
3.5.
3.5. Very good. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
3.5.
Option D. Right. So total 20 questions are there. Total 20 questions are there. So another 8 questions are there. So let us move toward question number 13. The areas of two similar triangles are 81 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square respectively. If the altitude of one triangle is 6.3 centimeter, find the corresponding altitude of the other triangle. So again the question is related with altitude. Okay. So we'll start with the same step. अभी जो किए थे 12th question में. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Also, the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding altitudes. So that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to AP square upon DQ square. अब इसमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ देखो. Area of triangle ABC is 81. This is 49 and AP is 6.3. Right? Now we are going to find the square root. What is the square root?
9 by 7.
9 by 7. Right. So DQ will be equals to 6.3 into 7 upon 9. ठीक है, DQ को यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे. So 6.3 we can cancel with 9. So we will get 0.7. So what is the final answer?
4.9.
4.9 centimeter.
4.9. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now 14th question. The areas of two similar triangles are 100 centimeter square and 64 centimeter square respectively. If a median of the smaller triangle is 5.6 centimeter, find the corresponding median of the other triangle. So just now I told you that जो altitude वाला corollary किए थे हम लोग median वाला भी किए थे. So you can directly start the question, no problem. So it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So therefore the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. We can directly write medians also, okay, this part. So this is the rough figure. AM and PN are the medians. So what we are going to get, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AM square upon PN square. अब इसमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ देखो, this is 100, this is 64, smaller triangle means this one, PN 5.6 and AM we have to find. Now take square root. What is the square root of this one?
10 by 8.
Right, 10 by 8.
10 by
By
8.
8.
5.6 यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we'll get AM is equals to 10 into 5.6 upon 8. ये कैंसिल हो रहा है 0.7. So what is the final answer?
7.
7 centimeter, right?
7 centimeter.
So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C.
Option.
Option C.
Right. Oh, ये option C. Okay. So this is question number 14. Now we are moving toward question number 15. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle and PQ is a straight line meeting AB in P and AC in Q. This one. If AP is equals to 1 centimeter, BP is equals to 3 centimeter, and AQ is equals to 1.5 centimeter, and QC is equals to 4.5 centimeter, find the ratio of the area of a triangle APQ to the full triangle ABC. So now see, we have to show that these two triangles are similar. Then only we can use theorem 6.6, right? So let us start with AP upon AB. So AP upon AB will be 1 upon 1 plus 3. That is 1 by 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next one, AQ upon AC. AC कितना हो जाएगा देखो, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो 6 हो जाएगा.
6 centimeters.
Right. And 1.5 upon 6 will get 1 by 4. Okay, so that means these two corresponding sides are proportional. And angle A is common. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria? SAS. Very good.
SAS similarity.
Right. So if these two triangles are similar, now we can use the theorem 6.6. That is, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AP square upon AB square. AP is 1, AP upon AB whole square ले लेंगे इसको. Right. Now this is 1 and this is 4. So 1 by 4 whole square कितना होगा?
1 by 16.
1 by 16. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. In the given
1 by
figure, हाँ? क्या हो गया? कोई कुछ बोला बीच में?
Option.
अरे यार, तुम लोग भी ना. Okay, fine. Now we are moving toward question number 16. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC is given, and DE is 3 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter, and area of triangle AD is equals to 15 centimeter square. We need to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay. So what we will do, we will prove these two triangles similar first. देखो कैसे prove करेंगे? These two angles are equal. Why?
Corresponding angles.
Very good.
Corresponding
Similarly,
angles.
these two angles are also equal. These two angles are also equal. Corresponding angles. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
A similarity.
Very good.
A
A similarity. These two triangles are similar. That means we can use that theorem number 6.6. that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equals to DE square upon BC square. So this is given 15 and this we need to find. DE is given 3 and BC is given 6. So substitute kar diye, this will become 9 by 36. Okay, now cross multiplication, area of triangle ABC यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 15 into 36 divided by 9. So we'll get this step. This step is clear.
Yes.
36
Yes,
we
sir.
can divide it by 9.
Yes, sir.
What is the final answer?
60.
60 centimeters square. Which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
B.
B.
Option B. Right.
Option.
17th question. Two isosceles triangles have their corresponding angles equal and their areas are in the ratio 25 is to 36. The ratio of their corresponding heights is. So first of all, it is given that the corresponding angles of the triangles are equal. So that means the triangles are similar by AAA criteria. Why AAA? Because all the corresponding angles equal, it is given. Okay. So let's triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we can use that theorem 6.6. This is the rough diagram. ABC and DEF are isosceles triangle and AB and DQ are the altitudes, and we have to find the ratio of this corresponding heights. Heights means altitudes. Okay, so we are going to use that theorem. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding altitudes, right? So we can write directly this part. इसको neglect करके ये वाला direct लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to AP square upon DQ square, right? This is the step. Now this ratio is given. This ratio is given 25 by 36. So we are going to take the square root on both sides. So what is the square root of 25 by 36?
5 by 6.
5 by 6. This is the required answer.
5 by 6.
Which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C.
Option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 18. इसके बाद और दो questions हैं, right? So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equals to 9 is to 4. AB is equals to 18 centimeter and BC is equals to 15 centimeter. Then PR is equals to. So first of all, it is given that ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Okay, right. So AB का corresponding side QR होगा. Don't see this one, okay? क्योंकि ये ratio है. जब similarity हम लोग लिखते हैं तो बिल्कुल symbolic form में लिखते हैं. So AB का corresponding QR है और BC का corresponding PR है, right? RP. So this will imply this because the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, right? Now these two triangles are similar, so the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle QRP is equals to AB square upon QR square, right? And the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is given 9 is to 4, that is 9 by 4. And what is the square root of 9 by 4?
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by
2.
2. तो
3
इसका
by 2.
रेशियो निकल गया 3 by
3 by 2.
इसका रेशियो 3 by 2 निकल गया. That we are going to substitute here. यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे. ठीक है? So AB upon QR is equals to BC upon PR is equals to 3 by 2. Now BC is given 15. BC is given 15. Okay, or otherwise what you can do, you can cross multiply here. Right? So 3PR is equals to 2BC. So 2BC means 2 into 15, that is 30. So what is the value of PR?
10.
10 centimeter. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward the second last question. In the adjoining figure, S and T are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR, such that PT is equals to 2 centimeter, TR is equals to 4 centimeter and ST is parallel to QR. So this is parallel to QR. Find the ratio of triangle PST and triangle PQR. तो ये दोनों को पहले similar proof करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so it is very easy to prove similar because these two angles are equal. Why?
Corresponding angles.
Very good.
Corresponding
And these two
angles.
angles are also equal. Corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Right. So ये दोनों हो गया. Now these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
AA similarity.
Very good. If these two
Asimilarity.
triangles are similar, so we can use the theorem 6.6. That is the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Right. Now see, PT is given 2 and PR is given 4. Right. PR. So PR को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, नहीं TR दिया हुआ, PR नहीं दिया हुआ, सॉरी. So PR कितना हो जाएगा 2 plus 4. Okay, PR will be 2 plus 4. Or we can write PT square upon PT plus TR whole square. That is 2 plus 4 whole square. So final answer 2 square by 6 square.
4 by 36.
4 upon 36.
4 upon
1 by
36. लेकिन ratio पूछा है ना, so we have to simplify. So final answer
1 by 9.
1 by 9.
1 by
Which is the
9.
correct option?
Option D.
Option D.
Option
right.
D.
Option D. Correct. So now we are moving
1 by
toward the last question.
9.
In trapezium ABCD, O is the point of intersection of AC and BD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is equals to 2 times CD. If the area of triangle AOB is 84 centimeter square, find the area of triangle COD. So this is the rough figure. Now we are going to prove these two triangles similar. Okay, so angle 1 is equals to angle 2, angle 4 is equals to angle 3, alternate interior angles. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
AA similarity.
Very good. AA similarity.
Similarity.
So if these two triangles are similar, we can use theorem 6.6. That is the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So we got this one. अब ध्यान से देखो, इसमें AB जो है वो 2 times CD है. So we will substitute. And this will become 4 CD square upon CD square. CD square cancel and we are getting 4 by 1. अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will substitute the value of this triangle. Okay? Or we can write area of triangle COD is 1/4 of area of triangle AOB. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So 1/4
Yes, sir.
of 84.
Yes, sir.
1/4 of 84 will be equals to
21.
21 centimeters square.
21.
Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
A, right. Option A. So this is the last question, and in the next session we are going to do multiple choice questions based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.